The All-Party Hills Leaders Conference Hawarkehat Committee has vehemently condemned police action to prevent their party from holding protest rally on Saturday evening. This was expressed in a press conference convened at the residence of APHLC Organizing Secretary Kursing Timung on Sunday morning at 8:30 a.m. Here is a report. The APHLC leaders stated that the protest rally on Saturday evening was held along the Lamding Road to express their opposition and their demand for immediate withdrawal of sub-clauses 2.3 and 2.9 of the Peace Accord, which was signed on September 4, 2021. He said that the two sub-clauses are not only a threat to Karbis but to all the tribals of the hill districts. The APHLC leader informed that 11 of its members was arrested by the police, out of which 4 were released, but 7 are still lodged in jail. The APHLC leader has demanded Team Karbi Anglong and district administration for unconditional release of the remaining 7 of their members, asserting that preventing the citizens from demanding their rights through democratic methods would be regarded as a direct attack on democracy. The APHLC leader also stated that all of its citizens, organizations, political parties must be allowed to express their dissent.
Halanon kedam tang citi tarik pri song trokatum nasomon sam lo kache tokalong angdeng 2.3 along lapen 2.9 along iltumhan inglong osopan isi kap heri mimid okojok si laso puthak laso close bang paprai nai pu laso kachi song atumi di fulamding road along itumi pesel se hinpen padopon lo hala somon sam amit heng tomari lielong nangapa siksak don Assam government lapen tim Karbi Anglong ke Japon alang litum IPSL sia songja tum apu songja potum han nang pasiksak dun apen ilitum asongja potum han bang crazy IPSL sia songja pofan nepon lo lapen non pedap birta long bangke bang plief han kin nang lo elo pusipu lapen non bang trok sidolang hala bang trok siep han tame adai we pin ben Tim Karbi Anglong apen di pula administration kacare tumhan ke palo siragi fansilitum dak hawar ke hat APHLC arohin bentamil tum chuning rilo itum kache song padolong lasuk ke pache songlong demokrasi aronang kar kandona pot pualamang silitum theglong la silitum atumi lasona odlang no na klem no makini tum APHLC hin penstame condemn lo apen lang tumhan Amso se rabatum ke kicini kenang sot lason odlang no pen mangkel tumta kacire ta kenang sot ya penson bidilang no nang iklem dun mangke nitum IPSL se benta condemn lo lang tum tim Karbi Anglong lapen Assam government afanda tum condemn lo mangke lason demokrasi arona kar kandon pot India long ke democracy country pulo tang nitum emena right emena jakong kici hangan utinda a right do mata rondo hala so kici hangalong litum hanang kam kedon bangke itu mi PSL sin banta condemn lo la bangke la 2.3 apen 2.9 la solam rat phan kapacheni lama puthak nitum kache songlong nangapa siksar dut nang claim dun
Harsing Rong Peace report from Hawarkehat for Karbi Anglong Live.